That's a thunderstorm right there. Look at that. It's so heavy. It's hailing. Look at that. It's hailing. There goes the thunderstorm. Last night, North Valley of Sacramento had thunderstorms. I think that's still the remnants. See, over there. That's North Sacramento Valley right now. Thunderstorm in Sacramento Valley right now. As you can see, right in front of us, it's a monster. Probably about 10 miles away.
Wow, they drive slow. They must be...
No, it's just a giant truck. I cannot see a thing.
I know.
Oh my gosh, where are they?
white.
No.
What are you doing? Are you gonna take a picture of the White House?
Yeah, that's how tornadoes form. Look at that rain shaft, along with the early season. This is what we were looking at a while ago. It's right above us right now. Look at that. That's a thunderhead cloud. It's a cumulonimbus, or some sort of cloud. They produce the lightning. There's a very great chance you'll see a lightning like that. Because see, added on to this one, and plus that one, lightning strike. That's one big thunderstorm. About that.
Because it strikes your house, right? Or something?
Yeah, I guess.
Or someone got zapped.
Gosh, T Woodies. My cousins don't even know where it's the side.
Almost all the time.
Yeah,
Especially with those two up there.
I know.
Point.
But
Yeah.